Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something really exciting. If you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you should. I will link it down below in the description bar for the link. A few weeks ago I posted in my stories a picture of a few very large boxes, and I asked you guys if you knew what they were. And some of you guys sent in guesses, and they were really great guesses, but nobody got it right. So I'm going to be sharing today with you what those boxes were, how it's going to benefit our homeschool, and yeah, so grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. Alright, so we are actually getting ready to leave, and I'm going to take you guys with us. So, for the big introduction, what was in the big boxes? I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you can. It's a tower garden. Oh my gosh, look. It's so cool. So we are going to be doing a life cycles unit study on plants. And when I was planning this over the summer, we came across tower gardens because I really wanted to plant stuff with the kids. And this came up in my searches. And I was so excited about it, so we started saving for it, and it just arrived. I'm so happy. So what this does is it's a gardening system for indoors or outdoors, and you can grow on this one 20 plants. Now, you don't have to have this to garden. I wanted to do it because it's basically like foolproof. I mean, we will have some trial and errors with it. You can still get bugs, you can have your pH stuff messed up, but I'll go into all of that towards the end of the video. Right now, we are gonna go get seedlings. There is a store that specializes in growing plants for the tower garden about an hour from us. So we are gonna go pick out some pre-started seeds, and we're gonna get this thing up and running and start our science unit study, which I will be posting later on. And yeah, so. All right, Noah, what kind of seeds do you want to get for our tower garden? You gotta speak up though, because it's loud.
I want to get like, what was it called?
Zucchini?
No, the spiky.
Oh, the Romanesco?
Yeah, the Romanesco.
You want to get Romanesco?
I want to get some carrots.
Some carrots?
Zucchini.
Ooh, zucchini will be a good one.
Cucumbers.
And bell peppers?
Cucumbers.
Oh, cucumbers. What about your jalapenos? Yeah. What do you want to get, Mama?
Flowers, but I want to choose about flowers.
You want to get flowers?
And broccoli.
Ooh, broccoli will be a good one. Did you know that Romanesco is a type of broccoli?
Yeah. Carrots.
Ooh, carrots. Do you know what? I don't think that they do any root vegetables, so they don't do like potatoes or carrots because those have to grow in the ground for whatever reason. But we can get everything else that you mentioned.
Those little tomatoes.
Oh yeah, the grape tomatoes. Those would be yummy. Did you? Alright, you guys, we just got back from the store, so I'm going to show you all that we got. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't remember everything that the kids got. I did take pictures with the names, but yeah, we're just gonna wing this right now. So I think these are the two Romanescos that Noah got. They're kind of like a pointy broccoli. They're really good. He really loves them, so he got 2 of those. I don't remember what this one right here was, but I know that yeah, I don't remember what that one was. This one is like a Russian purple kale. This one is a zucchini plant. This one is strawberries. And this one was just a type of lettuce. I forget which one it was though. And then we got a bell pepper plant. We got some cilantro, some chives. They're like super little. Let me zoom it better. Addie got some dandelion salad greens. This one is anise. I think it's how you say it. It's like a spice. And then we also got some butter lettuce. We got another strawberry seedling. This one's already flowering. What is this one? Addie got a few different lettuces. I don't remember what all they were though. Oh, and one of these, I don't remember what this one was. I want to say it was a purple kale, but I could be wrong. It might be a purple tomatillo plant. We cook green sauce and we use green tomatillos, and I saw that they had some purple tomatillo plants, and I thought that that would be so cool to make like purple salsa. So I think that that is what this plant right here is. And then last but not least, Addie's flower plant. It makes these, or it grows these beautiful like blue flowers. I forget what it's called. I'm not a gardener. I'm a beginning gardener, so I don't know a lot of the names, but we're doing it. We're doing the thing. Now I'm going to turn them around the camera, you guys. All right, so I talked to you guys a little bit in my January homeschool update on how we're going to be teaching skills to the kids every month, and how every month we're going to focus on one new skill to learn. And while this month it's baking bread, in the coming months we are going to be learning gardening, because I really want them to learn, you know, how to grow things, how to plant things. And I thought that by doing our life cycle unit study and working in something like this would just be, you know, a really beautiful complement to that. So I thought with this, you know, we can learn how aeroponics work. And this is basically that type of system. So the roots hang into like the middle of the cylinder where it's hollow, and they get a lot of oxygen. There's a water pump that brings the water up and then just trickles down. So that's how they're fed like the nutrients that we're going to be putting in there, as well as getting hydrated with the water. So I thought we could learn about aeroponics, and then that could maybe flow into hydroponics and the differences, and then in-ground gardening. So I like that there's different ways that they can learn how to grow food, and, you know, flowers and things like that. Addie was all about the flowers when we went to go pick up the seeds. But I thought that this would be just fun. Now, with all of that said, if you're interested in working in gardening into your homeschool, you don't have to do anything like a tower garden. I just thought that it would be good because I have never been a gardener. I know nothing about gardening, and this was advertised as kind of foolproof, which I like. Now, obviously there are some mistakes you can make. Like I mentioned, you know, you can still get bugs. You can you know, you can have like algae issues and things like that because of the water reservoir. But for the most part, like if you're checking the pH when you need to check it and you're doing the things that you need to do, it's basically foolproof. So I'm kind of looking at it like, you know, if you do Dave Ramsey and he has his baby steps, on his second baby steps, he talks about, you know, it's better to pay off your smallest debt before your biggest debt, and interest rates don't matter. Because once you pay off that first debt, you feel a sense of accomplishment, and then that just rolls into the second one, and then the third, and then the fourth, and it just becomes this snowball effect where, you know, you kind of get on a roll with it. So I figured if we see small successes with something that is essentially foolproof to some degree, then when we start actually like in-ground gardening, then, you know, that'll kind of like, okay, we've got this, we can do it. Like it'll give us that confidence to go out there and garden with bugs, because I don't like bugs. I don't want to do it, but at some point we do want our own land. And I think that this is also an excellent opportunity for the kids to have something that they are responsible for. I'm going to help them maintain this, and I'm going to be learning right alongside with them, but this is basically like their baby. This is something that they're going to be checking on the plants daily. They're going to be checking the water, and if it needs to be refilled, they're going to be checking the pH. They're going to be, you know, basically like maintaining the entire thing. So I like the sense of responsibility that this is going to bring. So with that said though, if you guys have your own tower garden and you have any tips, or you're a gardener and you have any advice for a future gardener, let me know down below. Alright, that is it. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to leave your tips down below in the comments. I would love to hear them, and I will see you again later. Bye!